Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone for Aaharya Technologies Mini Diploma Process Engineering free demo class. So I am very happy that you are all attended for this particular demo class. And myself Sivaji Thota. Okay, and I am a founder and CEO of Aaharya Technologies. And you can type my name in the Google. Okay, so you can type my name and it will directly take you to the page of my LinkedIn. And if you click on here, you can see my profile. Okay, this is my LinkedIn profile, and you can send me the connection request and you can follow me here. This is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and I am a founder and CEO of Aaharya Technologies. So here, aaharyatechnologies.com is a website. So this is India's one and only startup in the upward vitamin extraction plant from the natural resources. We extract the vitamins from the natural resources for the human consumption. So that is a basic thing that we do. Okay, and we have some patent products, and we are doing R&D to get the patent to the different products. So that is the basic thing that we do. It is a kind of a pharma company. Okay, that is a major line of action that we do. And the second thing is that Aaharya Technologies is a process consultancy. We can supply any kind of equipment anywhere in the world, whether it may be a small heat exchanger or a distillation column or pilot plant or marketing analysis related to a particular plant. We can do all those kind of things that as a process consultancy do. So that is the second thing that we do. And the third thing is that Aaharya Technology is providing different training programs as a skill enhancement program. Okay, let's say we are having a training program of Learn Digital Net. Okay, Learn Digital Net. Okay, providing training on digital marketing. So this is also one training program. And MS Office course providing training on MS Office. This is also our training program. And providing training on process engineering for chemical engineers. Okay, especially as I told you, I am also a chemical engineer. So this program is a very famous program under Aaharya Technologies.com. Okay, so learnprocessengineering.com is a website. It is on our website. And in the Google, if you just type Learn Process Engineering, Learn Process Engineering, and it will directly take you to the page of ours. Okay, Learn Process Engineering. Okay, this is ranked by the Google #1. Okay, this is not advertisement. This is the organically ranked by Google by #1. Okay, you can directly click on it, or else if you type in the Google Mini Diploma in Process Engineering. Okay, Mini Diploma in Process Engineering. Again, this is directly landed to our page. Okay, Mini Diploma in Process Engineering. This is also the site, the same site. Okay. So this is about the site information, and this is all about my company. As I told you, it is a pharma company and a process consultancy and a training institute. Okay, we are providing all these trainings under skill enhancement program. Okay, these are the three basic things that we do. And today you are all here to know something about a mini diploma in process engineering. And so as most of the people are asking me the most common questions, for example, anybody who is willing to join a mini diploma course or or whatever the 500 students, old 500 students that I had. So everybody is asking the common questions before they would like to join this training program. So first of all, within a 30 minutes of time, okay, I am going to clear all the general doubts. Okay, most frequent questions are there asked by the students, and they require some information. Okay, students need to know some information. So I will give the information related to all this kind of mini diploma. What is this one? What is the syllabus and all those kind of things. And later, if you people had any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box. I'm going to explain about the doubts. Okay. Now let's start. The first thing is that what is mini diploma? Okay. When you look at the mini diploma, you feel like this is very new term to you. Okay. And you may feel like that, okay, diploma is a bigger one and mini diploma is a smaller one. Okay, you may have some ideas in your mind like this, but it is not like this. Mini diploma is a foreign word. Okay, mini in the sense it's a miniature degree. So it is a kind of a degree, but it is not lesser than any kind of diploma or something. Why you are saying mini diploma is that when somebody stated mini diploma in digital marketing or mini diploma in process engineering or mini diploma in some line of action, it is related to a particular line of action, not related to a particular concept. Let's say process engineering is a particular concept, maybe the distillation, maybe in the process engineering you learn about distillation reactors or something. So that is related to a particular subject. Okay, that is not considered as a mini diploma. When you are saying mini diploma, that is related to a particular line of action. Let's say we have a chemical industry. you are going to learn everything related to the chemical industry from starting from raw material to up to the production, everything. Let's say there was a process consultancy, starting from the basic engineering package to up to the final commissioning also. So everything is included. It is not just talking about a particular concept. It is not just learning about a particular design. It is to understand about entire line of actions of a chemical industries. So that is the major thing. That is a major difference compared to the normal diploma and as well as the mini diploma. So as I told you, in mini diploma, you are going to learn from a basic engineering package, front-end engineering, detailed engineering, and equipment details. And you are learning everything that process consultancy do. You're learning everything that chemical engineers do. So because of that reason, what will happen? You have an idea about each and every activity that is happening in a chemical industry. So what is the major use of this one? Okay, as I told you, you are going to learn about entire line of action of a chemical industry. If you are going to learn about the line of action of a chemical industry, what is the benefit? You can able to enter in any kind of field. Let's say, for example, your target is to get a job in Reliance, or your target is to get a job in Jacobs or in some foreign company, or you would like to go to some abroad. Okay, and you are a process engineer and you are looking for a process engineering profile. And it is always not exactly possible to get into the role of process engineering or get into the role of something, because you may not, the company may not have an opening, or in order to get that your desired profile, maybe that may come after 6 months. Maybe if it is coming after 6 months, if you attended that particular interview, maybe you may not select it. So there may be many possibilities that you cannot able to place that particular dream company. So when you are having the particular line of action, when you can able to understand the entire line of action, maybe the particular company, or maybe in the abroad or somewhere, they may have an opening for commissioning engineer. Maybe they may have opening as a production engineer. Maybe they have an opening for some other safety engineer. So what will happen? Initially, because of having a knowledge in this particular concept, you can enter into that particular company, and later, whenever there was an opening for process engineering, you can change the departments within the company. So the people who have an interest, or people who have an intent to join in MNCs or go for abroad, they don't go for look for a profile, and they would like to enter into the company first. So this mini diploma will help you to learn about entire line of action of a chemical industry, where you can able to fit into any kind of action. So that is the thing. And the second thing is that, as I told you, we are going to talk about exact line of action that is happening now in a process industry. We are going to not only talking about theory, that is very, very realistic approach. We are talking about what exactly happening in the process industries. And we are not talking which is written in the books. We are talking what exactly at present happening in the industry. So that is the second important thing. And whenever somebody says this mini diploma, okay, always remember, if the company doesn't have that line of action, that cannot able to provide a diploma, that cannot able to provide a mini diploma. Let's say if Aaharya Technologies is not a process consultancy, we are not authenticated to provide a certification mini diploma. Maybe, for example, no IIT can also provide a mini diploma, because the IIT doesn't have a line of action of process consultancy. So if a company need to provide a mini diploma certification for any field, that particular company need to have that line of action. So here Aaharya Technologies have one of the line of action as the process consultancy. Now we are eligible to provide this mini diploma certification. Okay, so that is the thing. So if in the future, if you attended this training program and if you've written something in your resume, then if somebody asks what is mini diploma, then you have to explain these things. Okay, so this is related to your particular line of action and realistic approach. So this is a very, very important thing that you need to keep in mind related to mini diploma term. Okay, that is the first thing. And the second thing, what is the motto of starting this mini diploma under Aaharya Technologies? The first very, very important thing is that to set up a goal, set it high. Okay, I think most of you are all chemical engineers, and maybe some of you are mechanical engineers, and some of them are the petrochemical engineers. Okay, out of a few people, we have three segments of people. So as a chemical engineer, most of the time, okay, coming to the bitter truth that everybody knows, for chemical engineers, the BTech is not for 4 years. Okay, most of them consider as a 6 years, because after 4 years of chemical engineering, the people will struggle for 2 years, either in some small jobs or in a job searching for gate examination. They will struggle for 2 years, and then they will enter into their correct path of chemical engineering or in a hardcore. Not only for chemical engineering, for any kind of department, where there is a core part. So the people are suffering like this. So 4 years of engineering and then 2 years for their career struggle, and then slowly they're entering. So that is what exactly happening. Okay. And most of the time, the people will get a job, for example, especially chemical engineers. Okay. They will get a, after completion of their graduation, maybe some pharma companies will come and they will hire you for 16,000, 18,000. Okay. Maybe hardly 20,000. And if it is good case, 22,000. So this is the companies that they offer. And most of the time, the people will think, okay, there is no proper growth, and they used to change the companies, frequently. And that is a one way of getting a job after chemical engineering. And some of the people will get a job because of their senior references, because their alumni is working in some other company. They have a good rapport with their seniors, and they would like to get a job. They are with their rapport. They would like to get into that particular company. That is the second thing. And the third thing that people will do, they try to write some examinations, okay, and they would like to get a job. And the fourth people will do, they will search for the jobs in different places, and they will do, and they will go. So these are the four things. Okay, these are the most common things that the people will do, and the people will end up with a salary of 20,000, 25,000 first years. Maybe if you are even now, the people who are maybe now at this moment in this particular meeting, the person with 20 years of experience or 15 years experience, 10 years experience may be present. Even for them also, at the time of their career, they may have a lot of struggles. Okay, these are the basic fact that is happening everywhere. Okay, so the major reason to start this program is to set up a goal, set it high. What it means, for example, let's say, is there anybody who type like best chemical engineering companies in the world? Okay, if somebody type like this, they will get some companies, okay, like BASF, this one. So they will get a different kind of companies. Okay, so when they are getting different companies, I don't know that how many of them are open this website, how many of them are open their job profile, and how many of them applied for the jobs in these particular companies. I don't know. So what I am saying is that, let's say if you're searching for a jobs in a Naukri.com, Glassdoor.com, or Indeed.com or something, you will not get any jobs related to these companies, because these companies don't require a third-party advertiser to promote their jobs. They are itself having their brand. They are themselves having a brand. They are themselves having a wonderful brand to join. Let's say, for example, I am opening this first website. Okay. BASF. So I'm clicking on this BASF company. And let's say for every company page, there is a career page. Okay, let's say I would like to click on this career page. If I click on this career page, and here there is opportunity for students, graduates, and professionals. For students, there may be internship programs. For graduates, there are. Let's say we are a graduate. Let's consider you are a graduate, and I'm clicking on graduates. So after clicking on a graduates, there is option for us to search for jobs. So I would like to click on search for jobs. Now this is the interface for their job profile. Okay. So here, if you look at here, there are many jobs. Okay, like some jobs in not only chemical engineering jobs, there are many jobs are available. And if you look at here, and if you check continuously like this, okay, there is a research engineer, and there is an undergraduate program, product developer. So like this, undergraduate. So there are many kind of jobs that are available in this particular website. And if you search for some process engineering job, or if you search for some commissioning job, definitely within a 1 week of time, there are always jobs are getting updated. But nobody will search like this, and nobody will apply for these kind of jobs. Even there is an opportunity, people don't know about these opportunities, and they will not apply. So my intention of starting, my intention of explaining all these things is that you have to set up a goal, set it high. Okay, don't limit it that you are looking for a jobs which is given by your seniors. Don't look for the jobs which are coming in the campus placement. Don't look for the jobs who is writing an examination and then getting a jobs. And don't search for a different job search engines and applying for that. Always set a goal at its high. That is the first thing. Let's say you have a very big goal. Okay, you would like to get a job in MNC, you would like to go to abroad, or you would like to settle as a very good package engineer or something. If you have that one, if you don't have a skills, obviously you are not going to be selected. So that's why you need to upgrade the skills. So the mini diploma program is helping to upgrade the skills for the students, professionals, and as well as to the graduates. So you need to upgrade the skills. So that is a second very, very important thing. And the third thing is that, okay, just by having a skill, or just by applying for 1 or 2 jobs, you're not going to be placed in any company. So you have to motivate yourself. See, because as I told you that the goal is very high, Okay. So we cannot able to bring those companies to our campus placement. Huh? Even these companies will not go for IITs also for campus placement. They have their own branding. Okay. So when you put up a goals like this, you have to motivate yourself and you have to upgrade skills. So this is a major intention for this mini diploma, the motto of this particular program. Okay. And now coming to the basic questions. Okay. When we are saying the mini diploma in process engineering, when it comes to the basic question, most of the people have some common questions. So let's talk about those questions. First of all, what is the syllabus? Okay. The question is the syllabus. So if you go to our website, learnprocessengineering.com, okay, learnprocessengineering.com, and here there is a mini diploma course is option. Mini diploma course is there. If you click on this mini diploma course, here in this mini diploma course, okay, we are having course introduction, overview of process engineering, and process engineering design and basis. So like this, you can see everything which is related to the process engineering is available. Okay, starting from basic engineering package and line sizing, pressure drop calculation, pressure drop, distillation, reactors, PSV, plant commissioning, boilers, okay, everything. So if you see here, you can see here there was a interview tips, plant safety, boiler efficiency calculation, HVAC system, cooling towers, piping network, plant commissioning, reactor design, vessel and tank design. So there are many kind of things which is related to the process engineering are available here. And especially we are, when it comes to the syllabus of Aaharya technologies, we are not only giving the training on this kind of thing. Let's say, for example, the boilers are there. Okay, the boiler topic is mine. Okay, Sivaji Thota. So the boiler efficiency calculation is for 2 hours, and I am going to give you the training on this particular topic. Okay, when I say the boiler efficiency calculation is for 2 hours, okay, when I say like this not only these 2 hours, sometimes based on the question that they asked by the students and based on the discussion, sometimes it may reach up to 3 hours, sometimes it may reach up to 4 hours. So we don't care that no matter that how many hours of time that was reached, but the minimum time is 2 hours. But sometimes because of the questions and because of the interaction, it may reach up to 4 hours. Let's say in the first 2 hours, I am explained about boiler efficiency and boiler efficiency calculations, all everything. So after this class is completed, after this boiler efficiency class is completed, we are going to provide you the recording of this boiler efficiency calculations. Maybe you may attend this boiler efficiency calculation lecture, or you may not attend this boiler efficiency calculation lecture because of environmental problems, because of technical reasons, or because of some reasons. So after this particular boiler efficiency calculation class was completed, we are going to share you the recording, which you have access up to 3 months. Okay, you have a 3 months access up to the particular recording. That is one thing. And after that, in order to learn more related to these boiler efficiency calculations, we are going to share you the documents. Okay, what is a boiler, different kind of boilers, or what is the efficiency. So like this, we are going to provide some supporting documents for you, which have a lifetime access where you can able to read in the future. That is the second thing. And this boiler efficiency is going to have a different calculations and different formulas. So we are not the persons and we are not in a stage to do everything on hand. So we are going to provide an Excel sheet where you can able to do all such kind of calculations. Let's say here I am provide, this is the boiler efficiency calculations list. Okay, let's say, so we have two methods in boiler efficiency. One is the direct method and another one is the indirect method. So in a direct method, we are going to show you this Excel sheet, and in direct method, this is the Excel sheet. So like this, we are going to provide you the Excel sheet for all possible concepts. Let's say reactor design is there. So in that, there is a calculation. We will provide Excel sheet. Cooling tower is there. Some calculation. We will provide Excel sheet. So like this, for every concept that you are going to teach, what we are going to do is that concept and the recording and the supporting documents, and then these Excel sheets. So like this, for every concept, you are going to get a certain bundle of data. So like this, we are providing a very detailed or very explanative data. And once again, if you look at this particular training program, everything was included, starting from course introduction, overview of process engineering, basic engineering package, and plant commissioning, vessel designing, reactor designing. So many things are available. So like this, the training, this was, this was designed by the major process engineers and accepted by the many process engineers around India. Okay, and this training program have, because of this training program, I have a students around the world, not only in India. I have students in Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, especially from Saudi Arabia, from the different countries, different places around the world. So this is the training program. This is a syllabus that we are going to provide. And in order to get the syllabus, in order to learn the syllabus, or in order to understand the syllabus, you may not be a very big expert of chemical engineering. The chemical engineering is mainly depends on common sense. The designing aspects also depends on the common sense. So because of that reason, see, this training program developed in such a way that even the people with the minimum knowledge of chemical engineering can able to understand all the aspects. So because here we are not mugging up the formulas, here we are not mugging up the things. We are just learning. And in order to do the calculations, we have Excel sheets and everything. Okay. And when it comes to the process safety, okay, we have a plant safety option is there. Okay. Process optimization and control, process economics, and then plant safety is also there. Here there is a plant safety. And in this plant safety, as usual, it is also not for 2 hours. It is included PSU sizing. It is included different kind of safety, hazardous studies and everything, which is a very important thing. Okay, we are included this PSU also recently, but which is not updated here. Okay, but the PSU is also included. So the plant safety is also there. Okay, and then, so this is the syllabus. Okay, if you just go to our website and if you click on here, you will get into this particular syllabus. Okay, and then the second question, the certification. Okay, the certification is valid around the world. Okay, as I told you at the starting itself, when somebody is giving a certification in mini diploma, that company should have a line of action. So Aaharya Technology is a process consultancy. So there is no issue in it. And especially in India, the government had authority to give a certificate. And the private limited companies like Aaharya Technologies have authority to give a certificate. And then third, educational institute have a authority to give a certificate. And the fourth, the training institute have authority to give a certificate. Aaharya Technologies falls under second category. Every day, every year, more than 20 to 30 years or 30 students are getting internship from Aaharya Technologies. Maybe you can complete some internship in some other company. That company itself give the certificate for you. So like this, here you people are going to complete this training program under Aaharya Technologies. So there is no problem related to the certification. And now coming to the trainers. So here we have instructors option in our website. If you look at the instructors option, we have 3 trainers. The one is me, and another one is Miss Pooja. She had more than 15 years of experience in the handling of documents, in the handling of generating data, which is related to PFD, PINIDs and all those things. So that's why her training is related to the PFDs, PINIDs, audio process engineering, design basis, all such kind of things. And is Mr. Prashant, who had more than 15 years experience and who visited more than 12 countries for the project discussions and all. And he had his own venture, and where he's going to train you about the distillation column, reactors, and all other kind of things. And not only these 3 people, we are having many guest lectures with the 15 years of experience and 10 years of experience to talk about plant safety and walls and other piping network and all other kind of things. So we have a proper curriculum, and we have a good certification, and we have a people with a good experience also. Okay, so these are the things. And next, coming to the next, when you are coming to the next, there is a sample interview test. For example, if your people are joining this training program, and if you completed this training program, if you'd like to attend a sample interview test, for example, you would like to, and we are going to conduct interview test. It is completely optional. If you would like to attend that interview test, you can attend, and if you would like to attend, then that is also fine. So this is completely an optional one. Okay, and then coming to the grading procedure. When it comes to the grading procedure, we are going to provide you a 30 questions. Okay, after the completion of this training program, we are going to provide a 30 questions, not a calculations, a 30 questions. It is a kind of open book viva. So you can refer any kind of book, you can refer the old documents, you can refer our recordings, you can refer the notes, whatever the thing that you can refer. We will give you 1 week of time. Within 1 week of time, you have to submit the answers for this particular questions. So that is nothing but viva. It is kind of a open book viva. Okay, where you can able to access the everything, because we don't believing on remembering the things, just creative things. Okay, you have everything, everything is available, and you can watch that, and you can learn, and you can able to do that. So that is the grading procedure. And now coming to the fee for this mini diploma in training program. Okay, if you go to the website pricing option, we are charging 22,999 rupees for this particular mini diploma program. Okay, in this particular mini diploma program, you are getting course landing checks, course discussion, exercise files, offline viewing, certificate of completion, 3 months recording access, and advanced syllabus and interview test. So all these things are presented in this particular one. And this is 22,999 rupees. Okay. And if you click on this mini diploma course option, there is a register option will be there at the bottom. If you click on this register button from the website, that will directly connect you to the payment gateway. Okay. And where you can enter all your details here, full name, profession, and everything. And if you click on this pay now option, you will have a different payment method. Okay. You will have a net banking, card, UPI, EMI option, wallet, everything. As because this program is very famous around the world, so the many banks are giving EMI options also. If you have a credit card, you can pay via credit card also. And if you have phone pay, Google pay, what are the maximum possibilities that are available? Maybe if you are from other countries also, all the international cards, domestic cards, everything is available here. And everything was very transparent here in our website. So this is a payment link which is available in the website. And then coming to the next batch. The next batch is going to start from March 15th. Okay. Today is 27th. Okay. Within 2 days, the batch is going to start. The registrations are going to be open from tomorrow. And the batch is going to be start from March 15th. Okay. March 15th is the starting date of the new batch. And where the timings is in between 7:30 to 8:30 or 8:30 to 9:30. If the classes are for 2 hours, sometimes 8 to 10. So it is always in the evening times only. We are not going to conduct the session in the morning because most of my students are professionals and as well as the graduates. So they don't have a time in the morning time. So the lectures will be from 7:30 to 8:30 or 8:30 to 9:30, like 1 hour per day. And total, we are going to have more than 45 days. Okay. In order to complete this training program, you require a minimum of 45 days. So these are all the doubts, all the questions that the people had in their mind before they would like to join this particular training program. Okay. So I hope I given the entire information related to this particular training program, details and everything. And still, if you people had a doubt, for example, after this session, if you people had a doubt, you can visit our website, learnprocessengineering.com. Okay. And here there is option, if you come here, there is an option of chart option is there. You can enter the chart option and you can enter. Okay. How to make payment. Okay. So if you have doubt, you can ask a doubt like this within 3 hours or 4 hours of time. Okay. Maybe for example, if it is in the morning session, you will get a very quick reply. And if it is a night session, our technical team is not available, maybe you will not get a reply, very quickly, but definitely will get, okay, based on maybe because you are in a WhatsApp, maybe you are in an email, maybe you are getting mails. Okay, definitely you can contact us. Okay, either you can directly contact us via mail or you can contact us via WhatsApp. Okay, so for any doubts. Still, after clearing all these doubts, okay, if anybody had a doubt, okay, they can ask me in the chat box. I'm ready to clear all your doubts. Okay, obviously certification will not have any expiry. Okay, we are going to provide a unique certification ID because once you completed this one, so obviously there is no expiry. Like this, any degree or any graduation like this diploma also does not have any expiry. Yeah. Any other doubts? Heater efficiency calculation will be taught. So the heater efficiency calculations are not there. Heat exchanger calculations will be there. Okay. The heater, I mean heater in the sense, what kind of heater that you're talking about? You're talking about electric heater or other kind of heaters. So that need to be explained. For example, if it is an indirect heating kind of method, obviously there will be a heat exchanger that will be connected there. Fired heater is not available. Okay, fired heater calculations are not available in this. Sometimes what will happen now when it comes to the department, let's say in this syllabus, at this moment in this syllabus, we don't have something. For example, recently our students are asked about PSV. So we included PSV. And they asked about pinch technology in heat exchanger. We included that. And they asked about flare system calculations. We included that. Sometimes if the student's requirement is there, then we are adding that because we are calling somebody for the guest lecture. We are asking them to give the lecture on this particular aspects. So like this, sometimes we can able to customize the syllabus also. Okay. Um, and how often you are conducting batches in a year? Okay, every month there will be a batch because our student float is very high. So every month we need to conduct a batch. Okay, maybe 1 month, maybe sometimes it is around 45 days. Okay, like this we'll conduct the batches. Sir, start batch basic knowledge. As I told you, the minimum knowledge of chemical engineering is good enough to join this training program. You may not be an expert in calculations. You may not be an expert, very huge knowledge. A minimum knowledge of chemical engineering and a common sense. Common for a and it's especially when you're going to design, you require a common sense. So the common sense is very important. And cost estimation, equipment utilities also taught in this. Yes, cost estimation of a project and equipments, utilities, and everything is going to be taught in this particular thing. There is a process optimization is there, and the cost estimation, economic evaluation is also there in this particular training program. After 3 months, if you need the video access, how can we get it? After 3 months, there is no access to the videos. Okay, because after completion of the course, in order to, if you miss the classes, so we are providing for only for 3 hours. Maybe sometimes because of health reasons or some reason they cannot able to attend the sessions. So that's why the maximum time you will get is only for 3 months. So after 3 months, obviously there is no access to the recordings. You will have access to the only to the documentations. I mean documents that you're providing, like as I told you, some documents and some books. So you have access to those only, not to the videos. Yeah. Any other doubts? Are you giving any idea about Aspen Plus or Aspen ICS software in these lectures? We are not included Aspen ICS or Aspen Plus, any simulation softwares here in this. And we have a separate training program for Aspen ICS. Okay, but it is not included here. Okay, it was not included in this program. Okay, Aspen ICS is not there. Sir, I'm doing apprentice, will get, okay, definitely. Okay, no matter that, whether you are working or whether you're not working, definitely this concept will help you to boost in your career. As I told you at the starting itself, how it is getting impacted. So definitely it is going to be help you for everyone. Any other doubts? Okay, I will share this recording with you, in a WhatsApp and as well as in an email also. And if you people had a doubt, you can, you can contact via this one, or you can contact via mails or WhatsApp also. So our technical team is always in contact with you people. And still, anyhow, for any doubts or for the joining process and everything, you can contact us. Okay, and the classes are going to be start from March 15th. Okay, and as you already know, whenever you are joining, there is some documentation procedure, everything is there. No? So always try to join before. So there are some early bird offers, related to some other simulation softwares. Maybe I will explain. Okay, so not in the direction of the cost, with some extra benefits, some accessing, some extra access of videos, some extra access of documents will be there if the people are joined so early. So that is the thing. So any other things from anyone? Okay. Okay. Thank you for attending this lecture, and thank you for having me. This is all from my end, and thank you so much. Okay. Bye.